Hi, I'm Dr. Chi. Welcome to my bonsai garden. Today I'm going to show you how I turn this messy tree into a beautiful bonsai. This is Dandina domestica, or we call it heavenly bamboo. At this stage, it looks very messy. First and foremost, I have to study the tree, look at the trunk movements and also the branches positions. Right now, everything looks crowded and confusing. There's no clear front, but I can already see a potential for the forest design. Since there are so many trunks, so we need to remove some of them so that it wouldn't be so crowded. Yes, it is a forest, but still we need to look at the position and look at to make sure they are not so crowded. There are spaces in between. In bonsai design, we usually use odd numbers, 11, 9 or 7 trunks. Each trunk stands for an individual tree, so it makes up a forest. For this bonsai, I decided to have 11 trunks. Each trunk stands for one tree, so it makes up a complete forest design. This root looks awkward and disturbing. That's why I have to remove it. After pruning, I apply healing agent. This protects the cut and helps the tree recover faster. Next, I prepare the pot. I place the drainage mesh on the drainage hole. This keeps the soil in and then allows water to flow out. Now the real work begins underground. I carefully remove the soil and prune the roots. Healthy roots are very important. They decide how the tree will grow. This step also allows me to create exposed root bonsai. Now I add fresh soil. I have to make sure the soil is loose. And I have to add some fertilizer. This will give the tree nutrients for the new growth. Now I position the tree in order to not let the tree move, so I have to position it by facing it with the wire. After refilling the soil, so we have to use a chopstick to make sure the soil is really tight. After filling in the soil, so I add moss. Moss helps to retain moisture and also gives more natural look. Now I water the tree thoroughly. This helps the soil settle and removes air pockets. From a messy plant to an exposed root forest, this is just the beginning. Thanks for watching. Follow to see the progress.